Hello people of the internet, here to watch my Jeep videos. I have a problem. I have a hole in my dash that I want to fill up. My name is Bill and this is Rust to Resurrection. So let me tell you what I want to do and then ask you for some help getting it done. Now, so this is the hole that the battery shutoff was in, and I've got a video up where I took all that apart. And I want to replace what that battery shutoff was with a USB charging port or power port. So I'm trying to find one so that I can plug in my GPS unit, or I can plug in my phone, or the other thing that I want to do is I want to get one of those GPS mounted speedometers slash altimeters slash compasses, and I want to get that so that I can mount it somewhere, all of this, get some kind of a mounting system so that they're up on the Jeep somewhere. Don't know what that's going to look like yet, but my focus right now is getting a USB charger that can fit into that hole, even if I have to enlarge the hole a little bit. At this point, the hole's there, so I might as well try to figure out a way to use it. So I've been looking for these chargers. But the problem I'm having is that when I find them, these are these kind of $8, $9, $10 cheap imports. They're all made out of plastic, or some of them are made out of aluminum. But when I read the reviews, there we go. When I read the reviews, the problem I'm having is that the reviews that I get, that either say these things work or they don't work, and that's been a little bit of an issue for me. What I'm looking for from my viewers, from my Jeep community, is do any of you have any experience with installing these USB charging ports or power ports? And if you do you have a favorite one that you've used or one that you recommend? Now, the other thing I'm asking for is this is going to be, or my thinking is it's going to be a direct wire to the battery, to the battery system. These old Jeeps, they don't have a lot of complex electronics in them. So in order to power this up, I'm either going to power it to the switch, the starter switch, or I may just power it to the battery. I don't know, I haven't figured that out yet. I don't have it yet, so I don't know exactly how to do it. So today's video is me asking for your help. Have any of you ever installed one of these in an old Jeep, or what are your suggestions? So if you're an electronics techie or an electrical engineer and you have some thoughts on this, please share them in the comments, because this is something that I want to do, and I want to do this this summer so that obviously I can mount all this stuff to the Jeep. So am I going to make this Jeep into an adventure vehicle? Probably not in its strictest sense, but is it something that could be valuable in the woods of New Hampshire? I think so. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys being here, and I will see you in the next video. Let me know what you think, guys.